Learning alphabets with phonic sounds and objects. This is the letter A. This is capital letter A. This is small letter A. A phonic sound is A. A for apple. A for ant. This is the letter B. This is capital letter B. This is small letter B. B phonic sound is ba. B for ball. B for balloon. This is the letter C. This is capital letter C. This is small letter C. C phonic sound is ka. C for cat. C for cake. This is the letter D. This is capital letter D. This is small letter D. D phonic sound is da. D for doll. D for dog. This is the letter E. This is capital letter E. This is small letter E. E phonic sound is A. E for elephant. E for egg. This is the letter F. This is capital letter F. This is small letter F. A phonic sound is F. F for flower. F for fire. This is the letter G. This is capital letter G. This is small letter G. G phonic sound is ga. G for goat. G for grapes. This is the letter H. This is capital letter H. This is small letter H. H phonic sound is ha. H for hat. H for horse. This is the letter I. This is capital letter I. This is small letter I. I phonic sound is E. I for ink. I for igloo. This is the letter J. This is capital letter J. This is small letter J. J phonic sound is ja. J for joker. J for juice. This is the letter K. This is capital letter K. And this is small letter K. K phonic sound is ka. K for kite. K for king. This is the letter L. This is capital letter L. This is small letter L. L phonic sound is L. L for lion. L for leaf. This is the letter M. This is capital letter M. This is small letter M. M phonic sound is M. M for monkey. M for mango. This is the letter N. This is capital letter N. This is small letter N. N phonic sound is N. N for nest. N for net. This is the letter O. This is capital letter O. This is small letter O. O phonic sound is O. O for octopus. O for orange. This is the letter P. This is capital letter P. This is small letter P. P phonic sound is Pa. P for panda. P for pumpkin. This is the letter Q. This is capital letter Q. This is small letter Q. Q phonic sound is Qua. Q for quill. Q for queen. This is the letter R. This is capital letter R. This is small letter R. R phonic sound is R. R for rabbit. R for rocket. This is the letter S. This is capital letter S. This is small letter S. S phonic sound is S. S for sun. S for spider. This is the letter T. This is capital letter T. This is small letter T. T phonic sound is T. T for train. T for tomato. This is the letter U. This is capital letter U. This is small letter U. U phonic sound is A. U for unicorn. U for umbrella. This is the letter V. This is capital letter V. This is small letter V. V phonic sound is Va. V for van. V for violin. This is the letter W. This is capital letter W. This is small letter W. W sound is Wa. W for watch. W for water. This is the letter X. This is capital letter X. This is small letter X. X phonic sound is X. X for box. X for fox. This is the letter Y. This is capital letter Y. This is small letter Y. Y phonic sound is ya. Y for yak. Y for yellow. This is the letter Z. This is capital letter Z. This is small letter Z. Z phonic sound is Z. Z for zebra. Z for zero.